There's that poor folks, y'all.
You're actually being recorded.
Oh my God, get that thing out of here.
She's gonna post it on Facebook.
Tab, don't you do it. Don't you dare.
Now pull it all down.
Now there's that flea.
Ew.
No, there's that flea market. It's in
Penelope.
Pinellas Park.
Penelope?
Penelope.
Excuse me.
Relief? Do you need relief from constipation? Tabby does.
You're still being recorded.